I'm going to tell you about 4 options that you got. Option 1, the buyer comes up with $50,000 more to meet you at that price that you already negotiated. That usually doesn't happen. You can bring your price down $50,000 to meet the appraised value. That usually doesn't happen. What usually happens is you meet somewhere in the middle. The buyer comes up with a little bit of cash, you lower your price a little bit, and you meet somewhere in the middle. That's what usually happens. The 4th option is you completely cancel escrow. That buyer is now gone. You search for a new buyer. They're going to have their own appraisal, and hopefully that appraisal, because it is a different person, hopefully that appraisal comes in at the price that you and the buyer negotiated.